Realme fans, get ready! The brand new Realme 15 series is officially set to launch this September in China. But here's the exciting part. The Realme 15T specs have just leaked, and it looks like this phone might shake up the mid-range market. Stick with me till the end to find out why this could be one of Realme's most impressive phones yet. And hey, if you love catching leaks early, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. According to Realme's official teaser, the Realme 15 lineup will feature a dual curved display, a curved back panel, and a triple camera setup. The series will include the Realme 15, 15 Pro, and of course, the new 15T. Now here's what's special about the 15T. Leaks suggest it will come with a 6.57-inch flat display, designed with slim edges for comfortable one-handed use. Don't be fooled by the slim design though. It's still packing a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, making it a powerhouse in battery life. The screen itself is no joke either. With 2,200 nits peak brightness, it's brighter than many flagships out there. Under the hood, you'll find the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max chipset, built for smooth performance whether you're gaming or multitasking. Cameras, you're looking at a 50-megapixel rear sensor and a 50-megapixel front camera, perfect for selfies and content creators. And despite all these features, the phone measures just 7.79 millimeters in thickness, which is incredibly slim for a device carrying such a huge battery. So with its slim design, huge battery, fast charging, and bright display, the Realme 15T might just be the surprise hit of the 15 series. What do you think? Would you pick the 15T over the Pro or standard model? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smartphone leaks and launches. Thanks for watching.